So,
chill section.
Today's whiskey. Ooh, I have to get it back closer to the camera. Bam. There you go.
Okay.
Resurgent. I was going to say NFTs, but Resurgent Bourbon. Resurgent NFTs. Resurgent Bourbon Whiskey. Mr. Mac, do you have the
virtual whiskey? Get you virtually drunk.
Hopefully, or hopefully not. I'm not sure which to answer to that. Do you have the notes, tasting notes for Resurgent over there?
I have their description. Let me look a little bit harder here.
Okay.
Well, there's some nose notes if you want to wait till we get the nose notes, or do you want me to read them now?
Read away. Fill time.
The first impression on the nose is of a deeply sherried single malt, and the rich chocolate notes drop back. The anise, cinnamon, spice, and rye comes through.
Okay, come on
Riley,
out.
it does.
Collect your glass, Mr. Eric.
This is the ritual proving it's not a green screen this time, which is ironic because we just did a green screen.
Yes.
Da, 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 da.
That's Mac, by the way, for the TikTok people. For those of you out there wondering, we are taking over everything as much as we can. We're trying to get to as many different communities as we can. So this is the first month we're actually doing this live on Twitch, on YouTube, on Facebook, and now we're also live on TikTok. So, you can catch us at your, local store and
is there a gang sign for TikTok?
Social media near you.
I don't know. T.
No,
nah, I don't know what I'm doing.
T. Oh, that's like timeout.
TT.
Yeah, indeed.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
So, Mac, you read the tasting notes, sherry cask, all that. All right.
We were intrigued by this one because it is actually made in Pennsylvania, in Elverson.
And my bad. This is a gift from David Barr, one of our customers, and he's quasi-local to us. I know he drives past the shop on a regular basis with his classic car. Do we know what kind of car it is?
I don't remember.
It's a big boat of a classic car, a green thing.
He just comes sailing in.
Slows down, throws things at us, throws litter out.
Bottles at us.
Yeah.
But this is brewed in Elverson, PA. So it's, a half hour from here?
Yeah, well, depends how fast you drive.
So when we open the USA Kilts whiskey shop, this will be featured product.
Indeed. So, okay.
You design a tartan for him.
Smell the sherry and the...
I do.
I definitely smell the sherry.
When I cracked the seal earlier, it had a very cherry smell to it.
It's actually sherry.
I'm getting a little bit less now. I was wrong. It's not cherry. It's sherry. My bad.
It really does smell like sherry.
Yeah.
It's ironically enough reminding me of my grandmother.
Who's Sherry? Okay. Yeah, I just get a lot of sherry and wood. And like a sweet, like high note kind of.
I'm not really getting anise or cinnamon up there.
I get a little caramel, but that's one of my default settings.
Cinnamon, I can see it. Maybe that's like the high note kind of thing that I'm smelling.
I can pretend I'm smelling cinnamon.
That's the thing. I think I'm reading this and
it's leading the witness.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Sancha.
I taste the cinnamon.
Yep.
Absolutely.
That's Bernie.
A little bit. Yeah. We didn't let it breathe. Just poured it out, and I've been trying to swirl a little bit.
And very short. Any other subset?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So there says hints of peach and apple peel present to soften a beautiful fruit balance. Wash of maple, blackberry, and apple with a mild vanilla and pastry crème.
Is this like a random whiskey notes generator out there or something?
So. A tang of anise, slight. I only got slight.
Yeah.
And a velvet mouthfeel.
I'll tell you right now, I do like it.
It's like the fruit punch.
Spoiler alert! I'm not picking up all that stuff.
Notes of pepper coat the tongue.
Yeah, I get the pepper. I get the cinnamon. I get fruitiness, but it's like kind of a fruit punch generic-y fruitiness.
And rich black tea and sugar cube finish.
Smooth.
Yeah, it's a little.
I don't
get
I'm
Bernie.
gonna try a little.
I'm not getting
any
of the
what
peach
the heck?
or apple or.
Yeah. Water
It's
it
like
down. Just
tasting notes by committee. I mean.
I get the anise and and pepper, but
maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, the anise came out with the water.
I think the watering killed the nose.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that
Yeah,
did drop
cut it
that
right down. And I didn't even pour. I only poured like a teaspoon. I had nothing.
I had like two large drops.
What's the tasting note? Was it did you read tasting?
I read all the notes that they had there.
Okay, wasn't a lot of notes. All right,
That was a lot.
it was enough.
There's a lot of flavors that
Yeah.
say,
Also, this and this.
All right, Mr. Mack, how you feeling about it? Give me feedback.
I from reading the notes and going to what it is, like I expected this thing and I got something way over here. Like I expected it to be sweeter and more like a fruity Jaeger is where I was kind of thinking.
Fruity Jägermeister kind of thing.
Yeah.
Got it. I'm just getting something now, a little like metallic-y taste on the side. I don't know. It just maybe just be me hitting my fillings wrong or something, but and maybe something to have to do with the anise. I don't know.
That could be. I mean, I like anise flavored stuff.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
it doesn't-
like Springerleys.
Oh, of
Yeah,
course.
of course.
Springerleys are the best cookies, especially when a certain owner makes
Co-owner
those
makes them,
cookies.
yes. My wife makes Springerly cookies for the staff for Christmas time. Spoiler alert to the staff who are newer here.
We had to tell them.
Yeah, and I'm getting the answer.
Just keeping it all for ourselves. Yeah. So score, Mac, 1 to 10. What do you give it?
I'm like a 5-5.
Okay.
Like, I like it, but it wasn't what I expected it to be. So that threw me off.
Okay. Mr. Erik, and this is a bourbon. This isn't a whiskey.
Yeah, good. Yeah, we should make sure we're clear about that.
Yeah. It's a bourbon. It's not a Scotch whiskey, but
It's funny because I actually liked it better before I watered it down, which is weird. It's like there were more. Yeah, I know. For me, that's weird, but it's like there were more of the fruit was coming out earlier, and I've lost that now in the noses. I feel like the nose is really weakened now.
maybe just
after watering.
Did you pour too much water in?
I don't think I put too much water in. I didn't. Maybe I did, but it's on record. It's on camera.
Yeah.
But I like it. And I do like anise, and I like the fruity notes. I like sherry cask stuff. So I'll actually give this a 6.5.
Okay.
I like it.
Okay. Reasonable score. I think I'm gonna go 4-3. I'm not a big bourbon guy. So that's I'm dragging down the curve. But 4-3 is gonna be my score. It's not bad. It's reasonable for a bourbon. It's some kind of award-winning thing, so my tastes are clearly off of official judges.
Some kind of award-winning,
But,
John.
Yeah. One of them award-winning there bourbons
Yeah.
and whatnot.
I mean,
Bourbons.
they do have a lot of other stuff on there. They've got some vodkas and some other whiskeys. So
They do a gin?
like it's interesting. Like I'm gonna have to go check this place out. I've heard of them. I just have yet to get down there.
But do they do a gin, Mac? That's what I need to know.
They have ready-to-drink cocktails as well.
Sounds good.
Ooh, that's a peachy drink. I don't know about peach.
Yeah, the nose is
We
still
should
very
we should
sweet.
do an on-site tasting thing sometime. We should go to a
Sure.
whiskey bar or
gotta find
something
someone
and
willing to
do
put
a
up with
flight.
us.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do you mind if we take over an area and
And have a guy with a camera like
exactly in everybody's face? Indeed.
yeah.
Indeed. All right, boys and girls, that's the score for Resurgent Bourbon Whiskey, Elverson, PA. Load in the questions. What do you got for us? What do you need to know? How can we help you? You are but your humble servants here to answer whatever questions about kilts or Celtic culture that you have. And
Indeed.
I will move said whiskey off of screen and then over to the side.
That trick makes me feel much better about my force powers.
Indeed. Mine are failing.
Are you sure? Are you force sensitive? You sure you ever had force powers?
I don't know. Nobody does what I want, so no. Liam, clean your room. No. Damn it.
Liam, clean your room.
This is the laundry you're looking for.
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
What was I supposed to say?
Something about our social media and that you like working here and don't despise me.
Right. We're on the YouTubes and the Facebook and TikTok, right?
TikTok?
We're on TikTok too. Also, if you want to buy stuff, we have a website for that. Who knew?
USAKilts.com!